What's up guys, my name is Maja_KE. Welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, share the video, watch till the end. A beautiful morning here in the village guys. Guess where we are coming live from guys. We are at the farm and today is a very beautiful day that we want to plant some maize in a certain farm that we have here deep in the villages, the village Buga again in the village guys. So this is how we are planting the maize. Yeah, so we have holes. She's trying to cover the maize here. Memaliza up. Yeah, so just finished here. So guys, we are handful of us here trying to plant maize here in the village. Mabere, how are you? Hey, today Mabere is at the farm. You can say hi here.
Hello guys. Welcome to Maja_KE YouTube channel.
Yes.
We're busy here planting.
Planting maize. So guys, let me try and help also in covering from here. Yes, so this is, you just cover it this way. Yeah. Wow. Yes guys, so guys, if you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, sharing the videos. This is how we plant the maize guys. See, yeah. So subscribe, share the video, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel Maja_KE. And also you can find me on Instagram. You can find me on any platform at Maja_KE. So we have a lot of friends. Nasto is here. We have Priska Susan and yeah, Ben_Julius. Yes. Yeah. Priska Susan, how are you?
Fine.
Yes.
Hi, Maja.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, always
I like your gumboots. Always.
And Papa is telling me that these are for milking. Always supporting our brother.
Yeah, of course.
Guys, my name is Priska Sagati. Come check me out.
Yeah.
I'm here with my young brothers.
Yes.
Yeah, I've come to support them.
Yes.
Because supporting each other is the best way to do. Sindio?
Yeah,
the best way
of
to
course,
go.
yes.
Because when I need you, you come through. And when you didn't need me, I come through. So let's do it together, guys, as one family.
Yeah, I didn't expect Priska Susan to be here.
Priska Sagati.
Priska Sagati, not Susan.
Or you know someone called Susan.
I don't know. Yeah, by the way, I like your gumboots. Hey.
Fashion
I like
sense.
Unique things.
Unique?
Huh? Yeah.
It's unique?
Yeah, unique.
So I'm removing, they had put two maize.
Oh.
But it's supposed to be one.
One.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm just checking here.
Yes.
This spacing doesn't need two maize in a hole.
So I think you should look for the two, then me.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So we make work easier.
Making work easier.
Yes.
Now I think it's 1-1.
Yeah. Yes, so guys, subscribe to Priska Sagati. I don't know where Susan is coming
you'll
from.
Tell us who is that Susan. Hey, you'll talk with
Yes, you know, Sagati and Susan is same.
For real?
Yes.
Sagati and Susan?
Sagati.
No.
Su.
Su.
Oh. Yeah. So, yeah.
This is also part of exercise. Just like the way I normally go to the gym.
Hey. Where's my bere? I was looking for my bere. You're very exhausted, right?
Woo, very.
Superwoman.
Huh. You see? You got to measure the distance.
Yeah. Mabere, how are you doing?
Good work.
You are good. You are good.
No.
Good. You know,
I like it.
You know, let me tell you the truth.
Yes. Yeah, so guys, we are done with the shamba here, guys, and in a few minutes we are already done, and this is so beautiful. We are really happy. We didn't take a lot of time because we were many. We had people who were helping us here, guys. So we are done the shamba is clear now. We're waiting for the maize to come out. Then we come and maybe plant some groundnuts and yeah, some groundnuts inside. And here is Priska Susan.
Priska Sagati, guys. We've been here with our brothers, my younger brothers. You know they are young.
Yes.
Yeah, they are young. I'm the elder sister here now.
Yes.
Yeah, you know Maja is my cousin.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also Ben Julius.
Yes.
So we are like family here.
Nasto also. Yeah,
And Nasto also.
It's all
Yeah,
family.
I'm related to Nasto through Maja. Yeah. You know, here in Africa, when your cousin is related to someone, the person he's related to definitely becomes your cousin too, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So we feel so happy being here as one, as a family. Amazing. So guys, come check me out, Priska Sagati, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Make me reach the 5,000 subscribers even tonight, guys. Even today. You can make it. Team Maja, I know you.
Course, yes. Where we touch, we leave a mark.
Leave a mark here, guys.
Yes.
So next time we're gonna come to plant the groundnuts. And we will do it together.
Yes.
And also we want to see this project become a success and the children eat. I was so happy.
It's by the way, it's a charity.
It's a charity.
So, so you guys support us as we plant maize and groundnuts. And weeding
and harvesting. Then it will go to the children's home. And I was happy. Wow, doing this for charity. Wow. You have also inspired me, guys. Let me tell you, you have also inspired me. I think I need to do something for someone.
For sure, for sure, and do it from your heart. Don't do it just because.
That's why I'm telling you, you've inspired me. I need to do something for someone. And I also need to be part of this, coming, helping till it's done. I'll be like I was at least part of it, even if I did not contribute money. I helped even in the weeding. I can't wait for the part that now we harvest. You know, I really want to see that part that we harvest what we have planted. You know, it's very good when you harvest what you have planted. It's very nice. So I really hope we will harvest very soon. We will. Yeah, very soon. Yes, for sure. So guys, check out Priska Susan. This Sagati and Susan. You will tell me who is that Susan. Priska Sagati, guys. Sorry, Priska Sagati. I keep on forgetting. Did you ever have a classmate called Susan? I think so, yeah. Because Susan and Susa. Yeah. Or you ate Msusa. Priska, thank you so much. I really Sagati, guys. I really appreciate when by the way, I've realized whenever when people are working, the work goes so fast. Because you are really hyping. I'm hyping, you are hyping. You are hyper. It's good to be hyper. Especially when working. Work goes quickly and you go to different things. You do different things during the day. You not only stick to one place. By the way, guys, if it was not for the unity, right now we could have not even been halfway. We could have maybe been just here. Thank you so much, because Maja. Of unity, we are done. We are going to other businesses so early in the morning. So guys, here we go now. Vipi bana? Salimia watus. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Pius. We have went up. Then we are going home.
Yes.
Next time we shall meet. And I thank YouTube channel. Because you are here.
Yes.
And I think almost is everybody.
Yes.
Is going to see our face. And each and everybody maybe will be in good mood and they will be happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much also for supporting us. Nasto, say a word. Last word maybe.
Not last word. Still say many more words.
Yes, say many more.
Tell someone. Say your last word. You become afraid. Sorry. Yes. So guys, what's up guys? My name is Nasto again. Welcome back to Maja YouTube channel and also to Mabere Musa. So we are here guys. We are really so happy for everyone who came and supported during the planting process. So this one, we use this in ensuring that you plant in a straight line. And also it even when the maize now they come out, it becomes very easy for you to do the weeding. You know, previously you used to use maybe cows, some lines are like this. Cornering. Yes. But at least when you use this, the maize is very uniform. And also even when it comes out, it gives you easy space to maybe
walk when you're harvesting also.
And also if you want to add maybe beans or maize, it becomes very easy. So we are so happy. Thank you Maja, Priska, Ben Julius, Mabere Musa for coming. Today I've just realized that unity is strength. Unity is strength. And also when you come up, very many of you, you make something look like a joke. I don't even feel like I'm tired.
Yeah,
you can even go up evening.
Yeah. You can see everyone is not tired here.
We are still very active.
Yeah.
So thank you so much to everyone, and also you guys that are watching our videos. Thank you so much for supporting all of us.
Yeah.
Subscribing to our channel. We don't take you guys for granted.
Yes.
We really appreciate you, and thank you for sticking with us and being like a family to us. So we really appreciate you guys. Yes.
Yeah, so that was Nasto.
Yeah, this is Nasto, guys. You can also go check me out. So we have one more bag remaining here.
Yes.
So this one will come with it. This one will come with it. Because
we can plant that small farm we have at home there.
You know this one? You know after the maize come, not all of the maize can germinate. So this one will come. If you say early, we will have given. You see, Ben Julius has two.
How do you feel when you are doing something like this? For like a,
imagine.
And it's like orphanage.
Yeah, this one we are doing for an orphanage. So we don't feel like even not much pressure. Even the person that gave us this place, even if she does not pay us, even if she pays us, because she's not paying us. This farm was supposed to just sit here, we fence it, and it sits freely. But we communicated and said, meanwhile, we can use it to plant for the farm.
Yes.
Because all these guys here have not paid them even a shilling. Even me have not been paid.
You have not paid yourself.
I have not paid myself. Yeah, we are doing this out of love.
Yeah, sure.
Because people who watch us, sometimes they send us even a bag of cement.
Yes.
Sometimes they support you even financially. Sometimes they support you even with motivation.
Yeah.
So we are out here also to give back to the community. So and we can't maybe pay with money. All we can do is to give our time.
Yes.
Because even Priska maybe will have to be doing something else.
Yeah.
But she has decided to come and support us and plant. Ben Julius will be maybe in the farm or even relaxing at home. But they have come. So thank you so much. It's a good cause.
You
can never go wrong by making some kid smile somewhere.
Yeah, smile somewhere, by the way.
So before the day ends, at least try to make someone happy.
Yes. Yeah,
Thank you
exactly.
so
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Guys, we have some. This is for you now. The mango. Yeah. So guys, this compound is so beautiful, guys, and you can see they have a beautiful flower here, and this is made for, we call this muchifa. I don't know how you call it whenever you're watching from. And see how it is shaped, guys. This is how they shape their flowers here. Yeah, I love the flowers here, guys. And let me show you something that I realized here, guys. Let me show you something that I realized also here. This is a bathroom. Yes.
I'm also
guys, this is the bathroom that these guys use here.
Wow.
Imagine planted.
You know, there's this stuff here.
You stand over there.
You stand here.
There. Wow.
Yeah.
Eish.
This is a bathroom, guys.
Very beautiful.
Wow. Natural.
This one here.
This is a panyaru.
Oh.
When someone comes from here, you run away. Yes.
You run through that place.
Yes.
Wow.
Hey, this bathroom is so
And the compound, guys.
one and the only in the world. Yeah.
I think I'm going
Wow.
to write a stick and go.
Wow. So guys, I think now let's go and get something to drink. Then we go back home, guys. Yes. So guys, Priska's already finished.
And I want you to give me
Mine. I've not even tasted. So guys, we usually take this from work, from the shop. Priska, you.
Amaja, do something.
So guys, this is it.
It's an energy drink.
What are you adding?
Yeah, you know this drink you're not supposed to take it as if you're taking tea. You have to take it first. Yes. Let me go here, please. So guys, we call it Togo. Okay, so guys, that will mark the end of my video today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for the subscribers. We don't take that for granted. May God bless you abundantly. Peace, love from the village Buga. Priska, the second cup. Yes.
Second cup.
Say bye-bye.
Hey guys, bye-bye. It's been a nice experience. We really appreciate you for always coming to watch Maja.
Yeah.
If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Please subscribe.
Yes.
Come check me out, Priska Sagati.
Yes.
I love you.
Cheers.
To the moon and back.
Yes, Maberi.
Yes.
Yes.
Bye-bye. Let us find your... Let's gain our energy back.
Yes. Okay guys, bye from Maja.